Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature on Discord that lets you personalize your photos with stickers. If you want to add a fun touch to your images, you're in the right place. Let's get started with this easy step-by-step guide on how to add stickers to your photos on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to send your photos. This could be a personal chat with friends or a lively server filled with your favorite communities. Now look for the plus icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap it. This will open your gallery, allowing you to select the perfect photo you want to send. Take your time and choose an image that could use some sticker flair. Once you've selected your photo, tap the pencil icon at the bottom left. This will enable the editing options for your photo. Now, it's time to add some stickers. Tap the emoji icon, then select Sticker from the options available. You'll see a variety of stickers to choose from. Select whatever you'd like to add to your photo. Go ahead, get creative. You can resize or reposition the sticker as needed to make your image shine. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, finish it off by tapping the send icon at the top right of the screen. And just like that, you've added a personal touch to your photo. So, there you have it. Now you're ready to share your newly decorated photos on Discord. Have fun expressing yourself with stickers, and happy chatting.